The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Cardano right now minus 7.54%. It was more than that. It was over 10%, I think. Let's see if it was over 10%. Yeah, it was 13% down today. But right now we are picking back up. Cardano is doing exceptionally well. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh my god, a dump. Yeah, a dump. But it was a good dump. It was a needed dump. And I think this dump may actually put us higher up. So we're gonna see, there are some kind of lines here that we're gonna look at. We're gonna see the bullshit. We're gonna see that we are sitting at the support. So let's get on the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's happening. So from yesterday there was this trend line over here. I mean, yeah, give or take, and we broke that, and I was like, yeah man, we broke that, we are going up to the moon, and then we dumped back down again. Now the good thing is we dumped first of all we dumped below the 10 and the 20 moving average down here, and it looked like we are going to go all the way down to the 50 moving average, but we didn't even get that close. Right now picking back up above the 10 and 20 moving average, and there is still 13 hours and 37 minutes left for the daily candle close. So the daily isn't closed yet. You know, there is still time to you know, for stuff to happen. We can go all the way here into the moon within 13 hours. You know, Elon Musk might tweet again. Who knows what's gonna happen? But you know, it's a good thing that we are back above the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart. You know, that's a good thing. Now here you might actually be thinking, man, we broke the support. You know, 200 moving average is getting broken. Everything is getting broken, because you see on over here you went all the way down to 100 moving average down here, got some kind of support. It's good thing that you are still above some kind of moving average, because a lot of coins are below all the moving averages, right? And you don't want to be below all the moving averages. But the good thing is that you have still got support. Not only that, you actually managed to crawl all the way up almost above the 50 moving average. Right now we are bouncing off the 50 moving average or the 100 average. That doesn't matter. It looks like this is some kind of support that we fell down to. So we didn't drop through the support and continue going down or something like that. This is the problem. This is a normal volatility happening all the time. I know everybody's blaming Musk, but you know, it had to come, more or less. It had to come. This looks like some kind of a rising wedge over here, give or take. Yeah, it looks like some kind of rising wedge. It's not actually a perfect rising wedge, but you know, it's maybe a channel, a rising wedge, or something like that. So you know, the fall down, it's expected, it's needed, it's good, and it will push us higher up once this is done. And I think this is actually quite a good thing, because right now we are going up, getting some kind of spring effect, and then we might actually break this really important resistance up here. There is some kind of resistance sitting right above us. You know, we want to break that, because you see these stops over here, even these stops over here. You know, there is some kind of line, invisible line of resistance up here. But as soon as you break that, you know, it's gonna be good times. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good times. And my prediction on the Bitcoin right now is that we are going to go up to the 49,000. So until we get to the 49,000 on Bitcoin, I'm you know, keep the bullishness. But after 49,000, I'm gonna reassess and see if I'm bearish or bullish. But right now, I think we hit some kind of very lows, and everybody's just waiting for the breakout on the Bitcoin to go higher. So this might actually happen to go higher. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Now there is other lines over here. Now the thing about trend lines, they're really hard to draw, especially on the small time frames, because there are so many wicks. You know. So but you know, I've been doing this for a while, and you know, finding these wicks and stuff like that, you know, it takes a little practice, but you know, eventually become good at it. And the only thing I don't like about it is that these wicks are not hitting this line, but this trend line over here, it's really giving us some really nice hits. And right now you can see that we are actually sitting on the support itself, the mother of the supports, and right now we are actually bouncing off the support. And that's a super bullish thing, because we are still inside this bigger triangle thing going on, right? Depending how you draw the triangle, right? But it looks like something like this. You can see here we are also down on support. So only thing that we did is actually fall down to support. We were hitting the resistance, we fell down to support. Now if the supports hold, we're gonna go up the same way that the resistance was holding, right? We tried to break the resistance how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 20 for 20 hours we are trying to break the resistance, couldn't. We fell down support. Now if the support holds, that means that we are going to go and have another try on the resistance. And if we break the resistance, guys, if we break the resistance, it's gonna be happy times. It's gonna be sunshine and all that shebang. Right now the support is right now the resistance is at 184. Let's see on the weekly time frame, no daily. Let's see monthly. not monthly is done at 74, so we are technically, yeah, let's put the resistance here, 73, and see this on the daily. 73, we broke that, we want to come back above that, but that's not important. I think 184, if you can break again 184 up here and go higher, I think that's gonna be good. The good thing is that we managed to make yesterday, you see this green candle over here, you see this green candle, it's a beautiful green candle. Why? Because this is a high, right? And then you got a higher high, right? And this is a bullish signal. This is a bullish signal, guys. This is a bullish. I know we dropped down, I understand that, but technical analysis, high, higher, high, bullish. You know, we take what we get. Also keeping about 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart is bullish, and you know, this doesn't look good, but this isn't finished yet. On the 4 hourly, we actually looking good because we are keeping this support down here, this trend line. Although we broke it, went down to it, we are right now went back down to trend line, went to the second trend line. We have some moving averages here. We getting, so all kind of support is in this area here. So if we start breaking down here, guys, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. We might see some very low numbers. That said, I'm right now bullish because I'm seeing all kinds of support, guys. And as long as we don't break the support, I'm bullish. But if we break the support, I'm gonna be bearish. That said, come back tomorrow, so I'm gonna see what's happening tomorrow on the Cardano. But by then, subscribe to the channel, like the video on the way out, and thank you for watching the channel. I appreciate it. So stop by, you know, check out other videos and stuff like that. Anyways, cheers, bye bye.